Hey, welcome everybody. Blickety vlog time. It would have to be a vlog where I shut up, Kevin. I'm there at the garage, you know, come for get your little work done on the car. You told me out there to the tearing with me, and not even the camera I use or the cell phone. So I see how that go. Big up all the people who go download the Cash for Apps app. If you know, go download it, go download it. You need to get 500 people to download the app there. You see me? 500 people to download the app there. So I know I have more than 5. I have thousands upon thousands of fans. So if I can get 500, that would be nice. I aim to get 2,000. But as usual, I don't know. When they direct people from one place to the next place, the conversion really go like that, you know? It's not a one-to-one conversion. It's more like 100,000 to 1. So for every 100,000 somebody have, 1 we go over there go do it. You know that bad, but I just exaggerate. So I know that is a very important thing. I think that's where a whole heap of people strive for. If you just have the type of fan base where when you say, yo, go do this for me, them sort it out. Not a no yes man robot type shit, but on some fan love, fan support type business. You know them thing that go? So when you ask your fans for just go subscribe to the channel, as for example, I have 78,000 people on the main channel. If me say, yo, go subscribe to my vlog channel, you know, you get a good percentage, like all half, maybe 60% of the fans will just come across same time as this and subscribe. I think it works because you don't know the algorithms and all this shit, and some of your fans them now get to see your video and all of them little shit. So that just frig up the whole process, you see me? Anyways, that's just something I'm doing and talk to them about. So they are the mechanic place. I'll wait to get sorted out. Look like rain won't fall too. You know see it? It might look like rain won't fall. So when we come to sort out there's something in the engine car when the car drive it kinda a buck. So come to deal with that and maybe sort out the filter for the AC and tap up the AC. Yeah, so we see how that go. Work are going over there, so isn't it? Mechanics have to hold it. See them over there, so I work on another vehicle. We just there, so I go and kick back. Kick back, boy, you did kick back. Can't believe that I make one whole month pass and I just one vlog me go now. Or maybe 2. Forgot me bro. I apologize, man. But I don't know the thing. When the opportunity allows, I will definitely vlog. Big up on yourself, man. I appreciate the support from any angle you give me, you know? No homo. I appreciate the support, man. Big up on yourself. Wall I like a fans them out. Is that not that? Yeah, man. I'm just going to wait here, so and give you an update. I can know if everything gets sorted out. Sure. Cool? Alright. What is that? Trying to get the evidence in us. You know, if you want me to hear me, I tell you. Yeah, so I them thing here where I replace. I don't know how to call them, but them going to see them so. So I replace them here. You see it? Hold on, focus camera phone licking at your face. And now I have mechanic hand. I go touch things I'm not fit touch. And now I have mechanic hand. Anyways, I watch back the clip. Fuck. What my hand in my shots like an idiot. But I watched about the clip before and realized it's kind of blurry. So if it's blurry, I don't my fault really. The camera take kind of long to focus. You see it? Right now this might blur it, but I work with it. The rain of fall, yeah. See it over there so. Well, the hillside over there so flood. Forward that side there. Jumping on this lock down. Drop asleep too. Nothing nice like when the rain of fall you can just lock away and sleep. You see it? Does man at work, my youth? It's a vlogging video, isn't me?
Bad one, good one.
You say, Charlie, a bad one. Yeah, a good one. And the rain has arrived. When I was drop out of the other star, do rasta. When I try to get a little scene, you see me? Hopefully this a focus, you see me? Because if you not focus, you know, I'm going to pull out the blicky, you know. You see me? Anyways, we're almost done, so we just wait for the last of the last to be fixed, and then I guess we're homebound. I don't want to fix my car. You give me a lick, man. Say, oh, Kevin, where you fix your car? I want a car for fixing our Kingston. Where you fix your car, Kevin? I sleep upon the grandma, me give me a lick, man. You see me? I don't know the thing, though. And they say the thing go. Yeah, sometimes I just have some random outbursts, you know. Maybe me mad, maybe. Me hungry. I mashed down a chicken cheese patty, you know, you see me with a cocoa bread and a large fry. That I feel for. Oh, no, I feel for. What? Oh. I can't eat that, but I'm not really that me a pray right now, isn't it? Doing the things still. So the car done fixed and everything. Heading back home now, you know. As you can see before, it was raining. It's not raining. What the why do I have on it? Yeah, so yard bound. You know the thing, I'm still hungry.